It is a beautiful day today and we have arrived at Disney's Animal Kingdom. We are so excited to explore today and we're going to go straight to Flight of Passage and we're going to hopefully see some animals and it's just going to be an awesome day.
So where will we go today? Meet me out among the endless possibilities. We'll laugh all the clouds away. I know someday we'll have to stay, but where will we go today?
So pro tip, when you arrive at Animal Kingdom, you need to get here early and go straight to Flight of Passage, which is in Pandora, because the line can be at 90 minutes the whole day. I mean, it doesn't fluctuate. So getting here and going there first thing, waiting that line out, because it is worth it. It's one of the best rides in Disney. Okay, so we're in line for Flight of Passage at 7:53 in the morning and park officially opens at 8. We left the Contemporary at 7:10, 7:15, got on the bus to get over here and got right in. Park, no problem, didn't have to wait, so I'm not sure exactly what time they open the gates, and now we're in the queue. So we're excited to ride Flight of Passage. It's worth getting here early. Well, we have finally made it into the entrance of Flight of Passage ride, and it has been 26 minutes so far. We expect to wait at least another 45 to 50 minutes. We'll see. Okay, we are in the link chamber lines now, and it has been an hour and 4 minutes, so we're probably about 10 minutes from getting on the ride, so I'd say the wait time was pretty accurate.
Great. Welcome to the Avatar program. Soon, you're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Nami rite of passage. Thanks to a special link chair, your mind will be able to control that avatar.
Once the link takes place, you'll be connected to your avatar and sitting on the back of an e-cron. It'll feel like you're really there. Moments later, you'll begin your flight.
We just got off Flight of Passage and we waited an hour and 13 minutes for it, and we got here before the park opened. So just know that you're gonna have to wait for this ride anytime you get here. I think right now it's up to a 90-minute wait, so it's even gotten longer since we got in line. So just know that You can skip it and come back to it, but the line's going to be long all day, but it's so worth it. It's so much fun. It's one of the best rides at Disney, and we just absolutely loved it. We got a Simba popcorn bucket. $2 refills in any Disney park when you get something like this.
Hello, explorers! Venture to the Discovery River and say hello to some of your favorite pals.
If you don't want your things to get wet on the Kali Rapids Expedition, they have storage lockers towards the exit of the ride that you can use to store your things while you're on the ride. Another piece of advice if you don't want to get wet is to wear a poncho or wrap a backpack or whatever kind of bag you have in a poncho.
Founder and manager of Kali Rapids Expeditions.
We're riding the Kali River Rapids, and I'm super nervous about getting wet, but I'm excited. Probably Lulu, but it was so fun as always. We're about to go see some real live animals at the Kilimanjaro Safaris in Africa. We are so excited to see who we see today. I'm really crossing my fingers for some lions, so we'll see.
Before you actually enter the loading area,
we just did kind of a weird thing. We brought our strollers with us through the line, and then we went and parked them, and now we're in another line to get on the ride hopefully really soon.
Sauna Warden, as we say here in Harambe, Twende. Twende means let's go. Let's go. Everybody excited? Ready to see some animals? Yeah. Woo, a lively bunch. I like it. The forest is home to some animals with great camouflage, so we have to look close. The black rhino is the smaller of the rhino species. They weigh about 3,000 pounds. They're very solitary. They usually travel alone. A group of hippos together is called a float. Nile crocodiles average 16 feet long and about 500 pounds. We are going to travel down closer. We'll get a better look. On the right, there's a couple of giraffes out there. We do have quite a few giraffe out here on the reserve. We're going to see some more in a little bit. Giraffe is the tallest animal in the world. They can grow 18 to 20 feet tall. And a group of giraffes is called a tower ranger. So they usually only sit or lay like this if they feel safe in their surroundings. The giraffes are very safe out here on our reserve. They have no predators. It's another giraffe up close here on the left. Now look at her tongue. That is a prehensile tongue. See how she's wrapping it around the tree branch? This is another zebra. Laying down next to her is her brand new baby Dash. Dash was born about 4 weeks ago, on May 17th. Elephants are a matriarchal society. That means they're run by females. Flamingo is the largest of all the flamingos. Now look real close. There's a couple of little chicks out there. Now the white rhino isn't actually white. They are more of a light gray color. They get the name white rhino from the Afrikaans word bite, which means wide. Baby Ranger was born about 6 months ago. Cheetah is the fastest land animal. They can reach speeds up to 70 miles an hour in just about 3 seconds. On the left, there is an ostrich. It's the largest bird in the world. The largest bird with the largest wingspan.
Oh, wow.
Ostriches are a flightless bird, but as you can see, they can run really fast. She's walking now, but she ran really fast. Ostriches can run 30 miles an hour. When they get going fast, they spread those wings. It helps them steer.
We just got off the Kilimanjaro Safari and it was so awesome. We saw a cheetah, which I don't think we've seen a cheetah. Maybe we have, but it was really exciting. We saw tons of giraffes, which was just amazing. No lions were out, which is not surprising. They don't come out that often. We saw a lot of awesome elephants too, and it was just really fun. And it wasn't too hot. It was nice and breezy, so we just really enjoyed our time on the Kilimanjaro Safari. Well, we had a great day at Animal Kingdom. We just did a half day today, and now we're gonna have a full day, but it was so much fun. The crowds were a little heavier than I expected. The lines were pretty long, but there's been a nice breeze, and so it's been really good all day. And the kids have had a great time. We've seen a lot of cool animals, and we just had a great day at Animal Kingdom. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and drop a comment. What's your favorite ride at Animal Kingdom? What do you wish we would have done differently? Do you have any suggestions? We want to hear them. Thank you again for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we will see you real soon.